So we are already on our way. We are currently at Dehradun, just loading up some last minute provisions, and then we will keep riding towards Sakri. We should reach by today late afternoon, early evening, and then tomorrow we will start our trek. Hello friends, welcome to the second episode of my trek to Harkidun. In this episode, we are going to travel from Haridwar to Sakri. We started around 6 in the morning and took the highway towards Rishikesh. This highway passes right next to the Har Ki Pauri Ghat. This road passes through the Motichur and Lakhiwala ranges of the Rajaji National Park. After about 15 kilometers, we reached Nepali Farm and took a left towards Dehradun. We reached Dehradun just after 7 and made a quick stop to pick up some last minute provisions for our trek. Then we started climbing the mountains towards Mussoorie. This steep mountain road climbs more than 5000 meters in just 25 kilometers. After about an hour's drive, we reached Mussoorie and headed towards Kempty Falls. This waterfall is probably the most popular tourist destination of Mussoorie and is located just 15 kilometers outside the town. The sunny day and the clear weather allowed us to enjoy some spectacular views of the Himalayan mountains. After a mesmerizing drive, we reached Kempty Falls around 9 am and stopped for breakfast. So we have crossed Mussoorie, and right now we are actually at a restaurant near Kempty Falls. Actually, it is just on top of the falls. We are having some breakfast here and then we will continue on our way to Sakri. So right now, as you can see, the weather is very clear and sunny, which is really good. Hope this weather holds out. Fingers crossed. This is the view from the restaurant. So this is a nice restaurant. It's very spacious, clean. It has a very clean washroom also, which is also good. So breakfast. So we are having Maggi. We are having chola bhatura. We are having dosa, and then we will also be having aloo paratha, which has not arrived yet. After breakfast, we started on our way to Nagaon. This section of the road was particularly narrow and slowed us down quite a bit. This road runs along the eastern bank of the river Yamuna all the way to Janaki Chatti. From there, you can trek to the source of the river at Yamunotri. It offers a spectacular bird's eye view of the river below. After a quick stop at a checkpost to record our details, we reached Nagaon by noon and took a left towards Mori. After crossing Purola, the road passes through a forest of tall cheer pine trees. This is probably the most beautiful part of the entire journey. We reached Mori after about 1.5 hours and took the road towards Sakri. This road runs along the bank of the beautiful Tons River. We decided to take a quick tea break to enjoy the spectacular surroundings. So we are just 20 kilometers away from Sakri. We have stopped for a little bit of break, beside the Rupin river. It's a very beautiful place, with towering mountains, lush pine forests and green meadow. We should reach Sakri within the hour. The last few kilometers to Sakri, the road was in pretty bad shape. As a result, we slowed down considerably. After another hour and a half, we finally reached Sakri around 3 pm. So we have reached Sakri. It is 3:30 pm now, so it took us almost 9 hours to get here. We took some breaks, so I guess it is okay in terms of the time it took us. And right now the weather is really nice. The weather is actually it's great weather, but let's see how the weather stays tomorrow. Hopefully it will stay clear like this, then it will be really great for us. And tomorrow we'll see you from the way. That's all I have for this episode, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified of future uploads. I will see you next time as we journey to Taluka and start our trek to Harkidun. Until then, goodbye.